Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Redmi 17 isn't reading your SD card properly. First of all, make sure that you are not using SD card bigger than 2 terabytes, because this is the limit of your smartphone. If you are using a SIM card SD card larger than that, then your phone will simply not be able to read it. Now, let's check the SD card itself. Grab a pin-like tool to open the SIM card tray. Insert it into the pinhole to eject the tray from your smartphone. Check your SD card. Make sure that it's located in the SIM2 slot and make sure that it sits firmly. Check the edges, make sure that everything is perfectly aligned, that it doesn't stand out from any side. Grab a piece of microfiber cloth and wipe the surface of your device, of your SD card contacts. You can also use a dip of isopropyl alcohol on your microfiber cloth, but in such case you're gonna have to first eject your SD card from the SD card slot. Then reinsert it after you dried it. And then unlock your device and check whether your SD card is formatted properly. Formatting SD card will also erase all data from it, so be careful. Now, to format your SD card, you have to go to About Phone section. Then you're gonna have to go to Storage. And then here you're gonna have to select Format SD card. If you don't see this option here, you can insert your SD card into your PC and format it there. Format it to its default format type, so usually it would be XFAT or FAT32, and after that reinsert the SD card into your smartphone and it will start working properly. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.